Past the teacher. I be getting straight bodies with that revolver now, bro.
Bro, I can't shoot the revolver for shit. I am not good at the revolver at all as a human.
Yeah.
Got a cocoon.
I got a 41 Tim.
I see. There's one over there. Yeah, one of them over there. Let me get this cocoon up.
Okay, you know that one. How about this one?
Yeah, you get that one, then I'll go look for this guy. He's in there with our guy. I'm coming, King. Coming to help. I see him. He's over here somewhere.
Yeah. You guys got him. I'm gonna go bag cocoons.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh shit. One's on me.
One's on you, where? I see you right here.
Yeah.
There's did we cotton candy this over here? There's a escape over here. I'll go get it. I think it's the bridge. Ooh, it's so laggy. I do say this game does have some rubber banding issues.
Hey man!
I'll be there in 1 second. I'm just finishing cotton candy in this. I'm coming.
Yeah,
I'm coming. I see him. I see him over here.
you gotta walk around. You can't jump anywhere yet.
This what you want?
I found the respawn machine on one of them.
I didn't want it. That's my job, bro.
That's what you wanted? Come on. Come on. I wanted a 1v1. You saw the cotton candy in me. That was perfect.
Bro, you're food. This is just cooking. I'm just putting sugary deliciousness all over your body. Your sustenance for my 4,000 children. You don't know the stresses of being a killer clown, bro. This is a tough job. I didn't spend 7 years in clown college for this bullshit.
One on me.
Alright, I'm coming. Boy, they're fast, huh, guys? These humans. They got speeds.
2 on me?
Maybe, I don't know. Are we on you? Yeah, we're on you.
I just saw another one. There was another one.
I got him, he's done. Ding dong. Bing bong. Sorry, officer. You'll be back, don't worry. Your little friends will bring you back.
Running for the second one.
Okay, oh, I see. Alright, I'm coming as soon as I get my jump back. I'm almost there.
Damn, these motherfuckers are fast.
I know. They're probably all running that athletic. Which way y'all going? Oh, damn, I missed the party. GG's, nice. Was there another one with him, or was that just
I did that.
Good job, bro.
Yeah, I had to pick the hammer part because the hammer part.
Human over here, human over here.
On the revive machine, I just bonked one.
I got it. Listen, I'm just doing this. Y'all go do that. Y'all go get them. Y'all go get them. I got this. Damn, I can't even hit this thing. It's moving. Thank you. This thing was freaking moving on me, bros. Oh shit. They're over here somewhere we can't even spawn to.
That's it.
Did they get a human out? Is that what happened? Oh, here we go. They're over here. They're trying to do this thing.
I'm in the whip.
Oh shit, okay. Whip on them, boy. Where'd they go? Damn, are they really... What? Oh shit, they're all on you. I'm coming. We're coming, we're coming. We're right behind you. He's in the whip.
They didn't run.
Run him down. Ah, I got he.
I was drunk driving off.
You got him, you got him. Hell yeah, dude.
I got him.
They already do the res, right? Or no, they haven't. Shit.
No, we stopped them.
I'm trying to remember where it was, though. How do you find it on this frickin' map? Everything I look like looks like the frickin'... We gotta get back to the res, guys, quick. And I forget where it is. I'm going here just in case.
Okay, I'm gonna go check for boat.
Okay. This one is, all they need is the key to get this one, so...
Okay. Yeah, gate's like one of the easiest things to do.
Yeah, we can't, they already got it. Yeah. Is he on you or anything, Timmy?
There's a red marker over by me.
Oh,
like,
shit.
Maybe, like, partly in front of me.
Okay, I'm coming in 10 seconds.
Okay.
I'm running that way.
I think it's boat. Yeah, it is boat. Shit.
Oh, shit, they're getting on the boat. I think I'm by the res machine. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm by...
Yeah,
okay.
there they are.
They might have got all three out, huh?
Shit.
Oh, yeah, they got out. Shit, they got the res off, too. Damn it. Alright, we gotta get serious. My bad, guys. I got to the boat. Too late, too.
Yeah, there's a noise over by me.
Shit, I just used my,
Yeah, there's two people running.
I'm coming. I'm far away, but I'm coming fast as I can. I think I'm close. Yeah, I'm close. I see you.
Hit and run! Hit and run!
Nice, get him.
Hit and run!
I'm coming.
Come
I'm
back
almost
here!
Oh, I got both of y'all motherfuckers again, bro?
Yeah.
Nah,
Sorry.
y'all gotta jump people.
We're clowns, bro.
That's kind of the point of the game, though. I'm not gonna lie.
Not to jump people. Like, you can take two of y'all.
You could jump clowns too. How about both of you just fight?
Get back.
Hi.
Nah, I got nothing left.
Yeah. Just fight back.
Are they on
I'm
you
over on
guys?
portal.
Oh shit, okay. I'm
There's
coming.
a distraction.
Yeah,
I'm
there's one right
commenting
here.
it.
There's one right here.
Oh, yo,
I'm on one.
Dick, go get somebody else.
I'm breaking a distraction. There you go. Yeah, I just fully caught in his portal.
Alright, I'm coming to you guys.
There's still one on you? Okay. It's fucking cold as shit.
Yeah, I had enough of this shit. Yeah, I had enough of this
On
shit.
one of you?
I had enough of you,
That's
motherfucker.
fake! That's fake, bro! That's fake!
Where they at?
This game's fake, bro.
He's on me, bro.
Yeah, you sound like you eat Cheetos and Mountain Dew, drink Mountain Dew. surf and shit. You live in California. You wear Hollister.
Eat my
Totally
dick,
wicked,
bitch. How
dude.
about that?
Totally wicked, dude. Totally wicked, dude. Yeah.
Not your gameplay. They're going to the exit over
Where's
here,
your
guys.
teammate?
Right over there, right over there. Straight ahead, straight ahead. Straight ahead. By the lackey, by the
Straight
lackey.
ahead?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, I get my whip back.
Where you think you're
Come
going?
back here! Come back here! Hit and run! Hit and run!
Oh no!
Did y'all get him or did they get out?
Yeah, I got him. I hit,
Nice.
hit him with the car.
I hope this guy doesn't have a knife to get out of that cocaine. These guys are so angry.
You gonna camp it? Y'all niggas is scared. Yeah, camping at the tuna, I look good. Yeah, y'all good. Do y'all thing.
What a bum.
Thing is hella gay.
I swear too. I killed that person too.
Oh, I see. There's one on me, there's one on me.
One on you? Okay.
Yeah. Shit, I am lagging all over the place though. I don't know where they went. I had them more.
Oh god!
Drunk driving is not easy.
Are you on them?
No,
Ah, shit, okay.
I don't see him.
They're around here somewhere.
I hear speaking.
That's me.
Okay. That's you? Okay.
I think so.
Everybody's running when it comes to the killer clowns.
I'm gonna get my dog out.
Oh, I see one. On me.
Where?
Over here, running by
I'm
the
coming, I'm
water.
coming. I see, I see. I see. Which way, dummy? Not you, the dog.
I ran in here. Hola! How do you like the new whip?
I'm way over here, damn it.
Got one stunned on me.
Alright,
He's lackey grab too.
I'm gonna go try to guard the exit.
Got him.
Nice. There's gonna be one over here, for sure. Here they come. you air horned me, damn it. Son of a biscuit. I think they won by 1. Haha, good
Take it
job,
out.
GG's. Yeah, he got out. He air horned me.
GG.
GG's, GG's.
Tell him
I
again,
should've-
Yada, what you
GG.
said?
Oh, that was you?
You're very welcome for that horn. You're very welcome.
Who
GG's.
the fuck did I hit in the bridge? Or like they walked. Who did I hit walking out the gate, dude?
I'm glad that. No, I'm
That
glad it worked
air
for him.
horn
I'm
is
glad I
OP,
gave it to him.
bro.
I'm glad I got it.